Videos are an integral part of blogs and vlogs to increase followership, reduce bounce rates and enjoy higher search engine ranking. Videos play an important role to engage and generate more leads and leads pages, promote affiliate offers and earn more big commissions. As you have known, many marketers earn lots of money by creating and uploading videos with great content on popular video platforms such as YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, etc. So today I will share with you what is probably the most effective and powerful tool in the market which can put an end to your struggle in generating traffic from video marketing and helps you grab visitors' attentions. Is it the time to give your online business that kickstart it deserves? So today I present to you VidMagnet. So in this review I will show you everything you need to know about this tool, the pros and cons, the live demo, the sales page, the price, and at the end my honest review, is it worth buying or not. But before we start, if you see this channel for the first time, I will much appreciate it if you smash that subscribe button. Now let's get started. So what is VidMagnet? VidMagnet is one of a kind and intelligent solution for marketers, businesses who use videos. VidMagnet is the all-in-one breakthrough interactive drag-and-drop video builder. With VidMagnet, it can help market your video, engage viewers, and get targeted traffic. In sales, VidMagnet allows you to turn any video into an interactive sales machine. No need for a sales page, landing page, or website. Your video does all the heavy lifting for you. You can generate more affiliate commissions by using viral YouTube videos and convert the organic traffic to commissions. You can sell e-com physical products and so much more. So this is some features and benefits to use VidMagnet. Host and play videos, any video sales demo, courses, training on any page, WordPress, Shopify, HTML, or build any page builder beautifully. Second, build super engaging video channels or video blog, creating fully branded SEO optimized video channels or video blog is like a breeze with us. Number 3, screencast recording. Record video and capture audio for your training courses, product demo, visual walkthrough videos, sales videos, tutorial videos, reviews videos, etc. We host instantly on our ultra-fast hosting server. Number 4, picture-in-picture mode recording. Number 5, instantly import any type of video from YouTube, Vimeo without any API or extension. Number 6, ultra-fast video hosting solution and mobile responsive video player. Host unlimited videos, demo videos, landing pages videos, etc. Number 7, set live video premiere countdown timer, create massive awareness, get viral traffic, and set the exact date time you want your video to go live. Number 8, add call to action anywhere on the video and drive traffic to your website, sales page, blog, or e-com store. And number 10, turn your videos into cash and monetize your channel or per view and bank top dollar without selling or creating a product, and much more. So here in the sales page, the only tool you ever need to make explosive money online. World's first AI interactive video software that's legally siphons 5 billion video traffic in 36 seconds. VidMagnet turns viral videos and boring low conversion videos into a 5-figure monthly machine. Zero tech skills, zero experience, zero upfront costs, and newbie friendly. This is the introduction video about this tool. So there is 3 steps to use VidMagnet. Step number 1, log into your very own cloud-based dashboard using any web browser. Yep, you have nothing to download. And step number 2, create unlimited video campaigns and simply drag and drop to add interactive elements. Use hot selling videos from across popular platforms or insert your unique files. Step number 3, how VidMagnet magically attracts laser targeted buyer traffic and sales to you. Now let's see how VidMagnet works. You will have 8 interactive video marketing from one single dashboard. Pick up any video from Vimeo, Dropbox, or YouTube and legally siphon its viral traffic. Personalize the video into your very own sales vehicle using STA, logo, text, images, videos, and lots more. Engage with your audience via polls, quizzes, and lots more. You can insert a custom countdown timer Build your email list automatically and reach out to them effortlessly through powerful mailing interaction from within your dashboard. Skyrocket your sales, conversions and profit at lightning speed, and finally experience true joy, success and limitless power. So the price is the $16.99 and this is a limited offer. So in my opinion, VidMagnet is a must-have tool that you must invest. It is a cloud-based, non-friendly software app that generates traffic and sales without any selling. VidMagnet gives users an opportunity to create videos where their audiences can get to participate in the viewing experience. Also, VidMagnet does all the heavy lifting for you. It's the ultimate easy income solution. There is absolutely no match the power-packed VidMagnet platform. And I highly recommend it to use this product right now before the price go up. You will not regret. Besides, you will have 13 days money back guarantee if you face a problem on the software or you don't like it. So guys, I will finish here. If you see this review helpful and you benefit from it, please don't forget to give it a like, and you can comment anything you want below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and affiliate marketing tips like this one, and see you in the next video.